This 5-minute solution will show you how to use the new big picture mode on Steam. First of all, open Steam and click on Steam menu and click on settings, and a pop-up window will appear like this. Here you have to select interface, and here you will get this option, start Steam in big picture mode. So all you have to need, just enable this option, and now cross this pop-up window and now click on this enter big picture mode icon. And that's it. As you can see, right now I'm in big picture mode. So this is how we can do it. If you find this video helpful, make sure to subscribe 5-minute solution. See you in the next video.